you hit the chat, tell all your girls. I'm scared to ask if we the last time. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a cropped waistcoat and we're using this pattern here that we drafted in a previous video. So if you haven't watched that, please go watch it and come back. We're also going to be using a piece of lining. This is less than half. Yeah, this is something I had from a previous project. We're also going to be using less than a yard of fabric. So without further ado, let's get started. So now I'm just going to grab my back pieces and fold it into two, like you can see me doing here. I'll do that for the main fabric piece and for the lining piece as well. Then I'll go ahead and lay the pattern on it so that it aligns. That way I can copy where the dots are by notching them on the fabric and on the lining pieces as well. So for the front piece, because the pattern is on the opposite side of the pattern paper, I'm just going to mark it again on the fabric itself. So starting from the end of the pattern allowance, I'll mark half of my nipple to nipple measurements, which for me is 3.5, and I'll draw a line from there to meet the V. On each side of the line, I'll mark ½ inch and I'll join it to the top like so. I'll go ahead and do the same for the other piece and the lining pieces. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew in the darts for all pieces, and I'll be right back. So I've gone ahead to do that, and this is what I have for the front piece. This here is the back piece, and this is the other front piece. I've also sewn all that for the lining pieces. So now let's begin to join the shell and lining pieces. I'm going to grab the main shell piece for the back, and now take the lining piece for it and lay it right sides together, so with the dart of the lining piece facing up. Now go ahead and join it at the neckline, the armhole and the bottom. I'm not going to join it at the shoulder and then the sides. And for the front piece as well, I'm just going to lay it together like this. I'll sew on it, leaving the shoulder and the side, after which I'll join front piece to back piece, and then I'll be back. So this is what I have after joining the back piece to the front pieces, as you can see here. I'll go ahead and attach buttons, which I don't have right now. But thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you all a happy new year, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.